Hi, hello friends, welcome to my channel Aparna Arts. Today I will be showing you how to prepare a frame with these plastic pipes. These are the joiners, one variety, and this is another variety, and these are the sizes. I have got the pipe cut into 3 different sizes. So you can get them cut into 4 sizes. To prepare few these canvas frames, and for fabric frame this is enough actually. What happens, 2 varieties, this and this is enough for the fabric frame. So this is half meter pipe cut into 2 pieces, and this is 1 meter. So the total length of the pipe, this plastic whole pipe, is 3 meters, and this is the half of 1.5 meter. So you can make a bigger frame also accordingly. So this is what is the actually the material required for making a frame. So now I'll show you how to prepare a frame. Okay, 2 varieties you can prepare. One by joining these, and you can prepare a fabric frame, and one by using this you can this and this you can make a canvas frame. So these are the actually plastic pipes. This whole 3 meter pipe costs about 50 rupees, and you can buy 2 pipes or 3 pipes for making this frame. So actually 1 pipe is enough for small fabric frame, 50 rupees, and these joiners. Okay, and for preparing canvas frame you need at least 3 pipes, or even 2 are enough actually. 2 pipes are also enough. Okay, these are another type of pipes. These are actually for plumbing pipes, which are used for taps and all. This is much stronger than those pipes. These are the joiners, and this is the pipe. This pipe is of much thick and of better quality. You can use this type of pipes also, but these pipes are bit costlier. I think this pipe also will cost around 1 meter will cost around 100 or so. These are much thicker, and those are actually those pipes are used for current electrical works, and this used for plumbing. So this 1-inch pipe is enough, this type of pipes. Now I'll be showing you how to make a fabric frame by joining 1 meter and half meter pipes. So you can use the direct joiners. You can keep this frame on the table and use it. You can fix the cloth, and you can give a little bit height by keeping anything which will raise the height of the frame, and then you can use these clips. You can buy these clips in any stationery shop. Now the frame is ready, and you can use it for fabric painting. Now I'll show you how to make a bigger frame for canvas painting. You have to use the different joiners which I have showed you in the beginning. You can join this, and I'll keep the pics of the frame so that you can make it and then fix it in that way. Now you are seeing this bigger frame with the different joiners, and after making this in this way you have to extend, and this frame can be used for both canvas and fabric. For canvas and fabric you can make like this and use it, and the materials are very simple. Here you can see the 2 varieties of joiners and 1-inch pipe, which you can buy from any hardware shop, and you can buy these electrical pipes or plumbing pipes, whichever you want, and it is very easy and affordable to make and prepare this pipe, and you can buy these clips in any stationery shop. Thank you for watching this video, friends. I'll be coming up with more interesting videos, and there are different professional courses which you can join. See you. Bye bye.